Hello friends, welcome back with my YouTube channel. In today's video we gonna talking about how to find story archive on Facebook 2022. But before we continue, for those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe first. Okay, first step, open your Facebook app and go to your profile by clicking your photo profile right here. Second step, click on the three dots icon right here. Third step, click on archive. Okay, in this section you need to click on archive story to open all the stories you've ever made on Facebook. Hope this tutorial can help you. See you in the next video.